guys, so today is a really exciting video, and I'm pretty sure I say that in every single video, but today I promise, well, they're all really exciting, but today's extra exciting because this has been such a requested video. So I am here doing my weekend morning routine. Now I'm going to do a school morning routine whenever I get back in the groove of school, but I'm currently on Christmas break, so that's really exciting, and it's the weekend, so I thought I'll do a weekend morning routine. So that is what I'm doing for you guys today. But there's also something else really exciting in this video. I am giving away one of these watches that I'm wearing right here. It doesn't have to be the specific one, but JORD is how you pronounce it. It looks like JORD, J-O-R-D. The brand JORD reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to give my subscribers a free watch, and I was like, yeah, like it's not sponsored at all. They just said that they'd be doing a giveaway, so I'll put the giveaway link down below and all you have to do is go enter it. And JORD is also giving me a $25 gift code to share with you guys, so not only do you get the giveaway, but you also get this just in case you don't win and you want to buy a watch anyway. I am from Tennessee, so anything mountains, anything outside. I grew up in the outdoors. Despite how girly I dress, I promise I love the outdoors. I love hiking, and I saw this wood watch and I was like, I absolutely love that. And it's so unique because you can bring the girliness of your style mixed in with the outdoors. Like, it's literally me in a watch. But I feel like this would be a great Valentine's gift for that special someone in your life. And even those of us without a special someone, just get it for yourself. It's worth it, right? This would make a great Valentine's Day gift, or really a gift for a birthday, or if you just want to gift it to yourself, that's okay too. So I'll talk about all that information at the end of the video, and yeah, let's just get on into it.
So I usually wake up anywhere from like 8 to 9 o'clock on the weekends. It just kind of depends on how late I stayed up. And then once I wake up, I just kind of look through my phone, which I really wish I didn't do, but it's literally the only way I'll actually like wake up. So if you guys have any solutions to that, let me know. And then I go to my music and I just shuffle my whole Christian genre because I find that it just starts your day off in such a positive way. And I'm so glad I started doing this every day. Like, it literally made the biggest difference in my life. And then I just head straight over to my bathroom, and I'm obviously jamming out to the music that I'm listening to. And then I just start brushing my teeth with my Sonicare toothbrush and some whitening toothpaste. I want to say it's Crest, but I don't really know for sure. So after I'm done brushing my teeth, I always take my just like daily vitamins, which I don't know why I do it after I brush my teeth because it always tastes so bad, but who knows why I do half the things I do. And then I just brush through my hair because it's usually really naughty in the morning, but I obviously brushed it because I was filming. I was not about to show you my bed head. And then I just spray some dry shampoo to let it sit because my hair literally gets greasy like 2 minutes after I get out of the shower, and I know many people can relate to that. And then I just use some of my Burt's Bees chapstick to moisturize my lips. And then I go straight to my closet to put on some warm socks because my house is literally always freezing. Like, my family likes to sleep in Antarctica for some reason, and I am not like that at all. Like, I like it to be a little cool, but not freezing. So that's why I have to put on these socks every single morning. And then I go and shut off my heater, and I promise I don't keep it at 70 degrees. I was just freezing while I was filming. And then I head downstairs to go make some coffee. And while my coffee's brewing, I always go and play with my dog, Remy. He is literally the cutest thing on this earth, and I love him, and I would definitely consider him one of my best friends, and there's no shame in that. And then once my coffee is ready, I go back over there and I add some of my favorite stuff ever. It's the vanilla creamer, and that's the only thing I add in there because it's really sweet, so I don't need to add any sugar or anything. And then I take that upstairs to start getting ready with. And I cannot tell you how many times I spill coffee going up the steps. Sorry, Mom. And And then I just go back into my bathroom to brush out the dry shampoo and make sure that there's no residue left over or anything like that. And then I head over to my vanity to start doing my makeup, and if you guys want to see like my everyday makeup routine, I recently just did a video on high school makeup, so I will put a card here and I will also link it in the description box below so you can check that out to see what I do almost every day for my makeup. And when I finish my makeup, I go ahead and head into my closet, and this is probably the hardest part of the morning, is trying to pick out an outfit, because I probably try on 10 things and end up using like the second one I tried on. But today I just picked out this sweater and a pair of jeans. And when I'm done finally deciding on an outfit to wear, I will go back over to my vanity and pick out some jewelry. This kind of takes a while too because I never know what to wear with my outfit. But today I am using my JORD watch that I talked about in the beginning that I will have a giveaway for down below, so be sure to enter that. And then I'm adding on these few bracelets with it. And then I just pick out a necklace. I usually, like 99% of the time, pick out something dainty because that is my favorite kind of thing. And so today I just picked out this cute little necklace with some dangles on it. I don't really know how else to describe it, but I love it. It's really cute. On the weekends, I do my best to read my Bible and just write down what I'm thinking, and I'm currently reading through Psalms, which is a great book. I absolutely love it. But sometimes on school mornings, I just don't have time to read it because I wake up really late, but I do my best to. But on the weekends, I do not give myself any excuses. I always do my best to read my Bible. So once I'm done with that, I go ahead and open up my computer, and I either work on videos or read through your guys' comments and reply back to you. That's one of my favorite things to do, and that's what I did this morning. I absolutely love it. Once I'm done doing that, I just finish getting ready and I go and try my best to pick out a pair of shoes. This is always so hard too. But this morning I just picked out this pair from New Directions. I think they're from Belk. I got them like on super sale and they are so cute. And then I grab my purse and just make sure everything is in there. And then I'm ready to go and I head out the door.
So I will have a specific link down below that will direct you to this giveaway page, and you can enter in there. JORD is taking care of the giveaway part, so you'll get to deal with them through that. And the $25 off code will be down below in the description box as well. I'll have everything you need to know down in the description box. And while you're down in the description box, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also follow my Instagram. I'll put it here as well. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.